बच्चों कर्व क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द कर्व एक्चुअली? सो बेसिकली वी नो देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. What these are? Independent and dependent variable. Suppose if I take a relation y is equal to x square. So x is called independent variable. Y is called dependent variable. What does it mean? If x is equals to 1 suppose, तो y क्या होगा? y will be 1 का square means it will be 1. And if x is equals to 2, what's the y is going to be? 2 का square is 4. So this is called independent variable. ये independent क्यों है? I am independent to choose its value. Okay. Good afternoon to all everyone. Listen now. और अगर हमने x कितना लिया? X we are taking as a 2, then square of 2 is what? 4. So this is called dependent. Means y depends upon the x. Okay. Now this will lead to you towards the differentiation. Where is the add screen, ma'am? Okay. So सबसे पहले coordinate समझने के लिए means first of all to learn the coordinates we must have understanding of x and y axis. You know, in any plane we can divide in two lines. This horizontal line is called x axis. क्या कहते हैं भाई इसको? X axis. This vertical line, what it is called? It is called y axis, right? So now where these two lines cut each other, इस point को क्या बोलते हैं? This is known as origin. Means if it is the reference O, suppose here I am standing, this is the O, this line, this is y. If I am moving like this, then I am moving along the x. If I am a Superman, suppose flying like this, then I will be moving in the y axis. Okay. So मान लीजिए, suppose there is a man. He is walking along this line with a speed of 5 meters per second. Then what is his x coordinate after 2 seconds? तो ये origin से कितना distance पे होगा? Means how far the man will be from the origin after 2 seconds. So you know this 5 2s are 10 because see here I will write. You all are intelligent children, so you may be knowing distance is equals to speed into time. Okay. So what is the distance covered in 2 seconds? Speed is how much? 5 meters per second. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? What is the meaning of that? In each second, the person is moving by 5 meters. So it is 5 into 2. So what is his x coordinate, beta? 10 meters. Means this boy will be 10 meters away from the origin. Okay. So he is moving only along the x-axis. Means उसका कौन सा coordinate change हो रहा है? Which coordinate is changing for this boy? Only x coordinate is changing for this boy. Okay, fine. So I hope it's clear to you. The horizontal line is the x-axis. The vertical is known as the y-axis. Wherever the intersection, that is known as the origin. If you're moving along the x, only x coordinate is changing. You're moving along the y, then only y coordinate will be changing. Any problem to any child, then please text me. Okay, fine. So now, what can be the motion along the y? See, bachcho, dear children, this is the x and this is the y. दिवाली पे कभी रॉकेट चलाया आप लोगों ने? You ever fired a rocket on दीपावली? कैसे चलाते हैं? You will keep it in a bottle, then you will take the matchstick and shoo, कहाँ जाएगा ये? सीधा ऊपर. So rocket is moving along the y direction. So its motion is along the y. So origin से जो ऊपर लाइन जा रही है बच्चों, traditionally जो हमारे काम की है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we will say it? We will say it as a y-axis. So motion of a rocket is in vertical direction. This is along the y-axis. Okay, right. Similarly, any distance covered by this rocket after time t is how much bete? S is equal to vt. So ये हमने आपको सिखाया, this what I explained you along the x and along the y. Any problem? Okay, fine. I am saying that if only x coordinate is changing, then it is the motion along the x axis, and if y coordinate is changing, then it is the motion along the y axis. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of a plane? If both of them are changing, then this is called motion in a plane. मतलब सीधा समझो भैया, प्यारे बच्चों, dear children, one minute. Excuse me, there is some technical error. तो इसको सही करना, ये अपने आप आ गया कुछ. Just clean it. We have to restart. No. Maximize कर दीजिए इसको. Okay, fine. Thank you, sir. So, I hope it's clear to all of you that there are two axes. One is called the x, and second is called the y. X में क्या होगा? What happens in the x-axis? Only x coordinate will change, whereas in the vertical direction only y is changing. Okay. Now you tell me, this point is called origin, represented by O. If you move here, suppose here is a point 1. You are moving by 1 meter, suppose, then what are the coordinates? 1, 0. 1, 0 means आप कहाँ चल रहे हैं? You are moving only in the x direction. There is no variation in up or down side. You are moving only along the x. So 1, 0. मान लीजिए थोड़े टाइम के बाद, after some time you are coming to this location 2. Then what are the coordinates here? 2, 0. Further, you are coming at 3 meters, so coordinates will be 3, 0. Means here y coordinate is 0 on the x-axis. Okay. Similarly, if you are moving up along the y, then after some time, if you are at y equals to 1, what are the coordinates here? 0, 1. After some time, if you are coming at y equals to 2, then here the coordinates are 0, 2. Because when you are moving only along the vertical direction, there is no variation along the x. Means आप आगे पीछे नहीं जा रहे हैं. So only y is changing, so x is 0. So we will conclude finally. In a coordinate system, we have two axes. One is x, second is y. The intersection of these two axes is known as origin, with the coordinates 0, 0. On the x-axis, y is 0. क्योंकि बेटे x में क्या होगा? Y का variation नहीं होगा. There is no variation in the y. Body neither will move up nor will come down. Over the y-axis, x will be 0. Okay, this is important. This is called equation of x-axis. This is called equation of y-axis. Please note it down. So, dear children, this is called Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian system means we are using two axes, x and y. ये क्लियर है सभी को? काइंडली टेक्स्ट मी एंड टेल. सर वंस अगेन एक्सप्लेन प्लीज. ओके. ठीक है. एक भी बच्चा छूटा, सुरक्षा चक्र टूटा. So if any one of you are not satisfied, we will repeat again. Okay. See बेटे, Again, I am repeating for some of you. In Cartesian system, we are having a reference point, which is called origin. Right side of this x plus x and left side of this is known as minus x. Above the origin, this is called plus y, and above the origin, it is called minus y. This is called Cartesian coordinate system. What it is called? Cartesian coordinate system. So already we have told you the topic name. We are discussing the graphs or the curves. Okay, right. So now x axis पर y0 और y axis पर x0 होगा. अब हम ये देखेंगे बेटा, how to locate a point. Suppose there is a question. In a Cartesian coordinate system, locate the point P with the coordinates 2, 3. So how to locate the point 2, 3? ये कौन सा coordinate है बेटा? Which coordinate is that? 2. And this coordinate is y, which is 3. So start from the origin, move by the 2 units. Suppose you are coming at the point A. So this is the point A with 2, 0. Y is 3. So move along the y-axis by 3 units. Okay. Suppose you are coming at the P point, then its coordinates becomes 2, 3. ये 2 हुआ बेटे, ये 3 हुआ. तो हम कहां से कहां पहुंच गए? O से P point के ऊपर. Understand? So जितना x है, whatever the x given, start from the origin, go along the x. Like here it was 2. So we are moving from the origin towards the x-axis by 2 units. Then y is given to us to 3. So moving from this point towards the y by the 3 units. So we will go to the concern point. Now see one more example. This is y and this is x. Okay. Okay, fine. You did it right. Nice. Congratulations, beta. You should be awarded the gold medal. Next time I will bring it for you. Okay, tomorrow. So now 0, 0. Suppose somebody asks, locate the point 2, -4. इस coordinate system में xy axis में ये point कहाँ पर है? Means in this given system, where is the point P with the x coordinate 2 and y coordinate -4? So where from we have to start? Origin. What is the x coordinate? Come on, children. What is the x coordinate? 2. Shabash. So we will move by the 2 units. Then what is the y coordinate? Come on, write it. -4. Nice, Hemant. So we are moving. Minus means along the -y, but 4 units. Need not to write -4 here again and again. It reveals only that it is along the -y and its magnitude is 4. Okay. So we are reaching at the point B. 2 -4. This is our concern point. What we are saying as P. Okay, is that clear to all children? Come on, text me if anybody have any problem. Okay, Priya, Hasni, Nagreddy, Harsha, Adnan, good. Very good, bacho. Okay, so this is called Cartesian coordinate system defining the axis and the coordinates. Very good. Shabash, bacho. I'm proud on you. You all are the intelligent children. So shall I rub it now? Definition. Which definition you want, beta? Definition of the point. Okay. Definition is this only. To locate any point in the coordinate system, we will move step by step. Whatever the x coordinate, we will move the same distance along the x. Then further, we will move along the y. So coordinates are representing position of a given point in the given xy reference frame. Okay. Right. Okay, we will try it to write. It should come in your field of view. See, beta, here you can see. If you are not able to see, P point with the 2, -4. Okay, nice. So now, थोड़ा आगे बढ़े अभी, ठीक है. Please note down in your notebook, slope of a line. Please note down the heading, slope of a line. तो बच्चों स्लोप क्या होता है ये बताओ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्लोप? tan theta. Okay, not in mathematical meaning, I need in a general meaning. ठीक है, I will make a diagram, you just tell me. Suppose there are two slides. Here one child is there and here another child is there. Both are going to slip. This is the first curve, this is the second slide. So first of all you tell me what is the name of this child? No Chotu. This character is having two ears like antenna. Are you seeing the Chota Bheem sometime? Okay, who is the character who is having two ears over his head? Raju. Yes, so this boy name is Raju. Good बच्चों. और ये चुटिया किसकी है? Who is this girl? Yes, Chutki. Shabash bete. So this girl is Chutki. Now both of them start to slide. Who will come fast, Raju or Chutki? Come on, text it. Chutki. Yes, because slope of this slide is more. Understand? So this is the meaning of slope. The object, if released from the top of a curve, whichever is coming faster, that curve is having the more slope. This is the general definition. Technical meaning I am going to tell you. Okay, Raju will have the lesser slope. Why? Because meaning is this. Suppose if I take the two curves, for a small change in x, same change, xi increased, then for which change in y is more, for what? X change kya? This is the change in y, and for this is the change in y, but for the first curve change in y is more, rapidly it is changing rather than this. कौन सा change ज़्यादा है बताइए? This y is more or this y is more? dy dash y is more or dy dash is more? Dy is more. Understand? So for the small change in x, change in y is more. That curve is having the more slope. Okay, that is the theoretical meaning of the slope. एक simple language बताता हूँ बेटा. I will tell you the very simple concept. You know that one village game some people are playing, that is called goli, right? If you take a goli and keep at the top of the two curves, the goli will come faster for this curve in the downward direction. So over whichever the curve goli is moving faster, that is having the more slope. Okay, right. I will explain it. Just wait. So first of all, I want you to write, all of you, if two variables, note down please, if two variables or any two quantities are plotted together, then the rate of change of y, 1 minute, I will repeat first, let us complete. Rate of change of y with respect to x is known as its slope. Is known as its slope. So now listen better. if, okay, I'm repeating. If two quantities x and y are plotted together, if two quantities x and y are plotted का मतलब उनके बीच का ग्राफ, plotted together, then rate of change of y with respect to x is known as, how it's known as? Slope. Okay, now nobody will write anything, just please hold on for next 5 minutes. Okay, all that whatever you are telling, tan theta and all, I'm going to explain it. Just hold on, please be patient. See, this is y, this is x. Suppose I have a line like this, right? This is the line. This angle, if theta. So slope का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of slope? If I take a point on this with the coordinates x, y over this line, then what is the meaning of x? This distance is x. This distance is what? Y. तो बच्चे tan theta कितना होगा यहाँ पर? Tan theta is, do you know the trigonometry? What is the tan theta formula? Yes. If you don't know in triangle, listen. In right angle triangle, perpendicular base, and this is what? Hypotenuse. So how are we writing? Formula for all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Pakistan bhuka pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara. Pakistan bhuka pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara. Sin theta p by h, cos theta b by h, tan theta p by b, and for cot reverse, for sec h by b, for cosec hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, again it's a way. Pakistan bhuka pyasa, Hindustan hara bhara. कैसा हिंदुस्तान? हरा भरा. बोले तो greenery is in our country. So this is a short trick to learn it for all the ratios. Anyways, come back to the slope. Tan theta is how much? Perpendicular upon base. Beta, this is only tan theta is called slope of the line. कौन सी लाइन? जो ये ओरिजिन से लाइन पास हो रही है, इसका स्लोप क्या होता है? tan theta. Means the line which is passing through the origin, its slope is only tan theta because it relates y and x. What does it mean? So tan theta को हम क्या लिखते हैं? Tan theta is generally represented by m. Number 1 and number 2. Kindly copy them, बच्चों. Come on, 5 minutes for you. Please copy them. Angle made by the line with the x-axis is known as the slope, because here our concern is not with the curves. Our concern only is with the line. We will discuss the line here only. Yes, of course, slope can be negative. If angle is obtuse, then slope will be negative. Okay, Divya? M is the slope. M is equals to tan theta, Miss Preeti. So what is PO equals to M? This is tan theta. Tan theta is called slope of the line, and value is tan theta is equal to M. M बोले तो बेटा M is equals to tan theta. What is the theta? Angle made by the line with the x-axis. ये जो line जा रही है ना origin से, ये कितना angle बना रही है x के साथ? How much angle it is making with the x-axis, right? Tan value of this angle is known as the slope. See, you are moving one step ahead, beta. This Nilesh, I'm telling you the A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You are asking X, Y, Z. So let us wait for D, E, F, G, H. Okay, we will come slowly on that Y2 minus Y1 for the lines. Just hold on. So you cannot go to the x, y, z just before learning the a, b, c, d, e, f, g. Okay. You can see in the recording, beta. Yashwant, fine. Why we should take at the 10? Because you need a relation between y and x, okay, in this geometrical shape. And it seems like a triangle. It's not a circle, of course, but I feel. So tan theta will be what? Perpendicular upon base. Okay. तो बच्चों समझ में आया आपको? Possibly it's clear to you all. For any line passing through the horizon, equation is given by y equals to mx. Yeah, tan theta is y upon x, and tan theta is nothing but called the slope. So now, shall I clean it now? Hold on, beta. I will explain again. With the examples, you will learn it nicely. Ali Saif, good. Neeraj, just hold on, Neeraj. Let me clear it. I will take the one more example. So shall I clean it now? Okay. दोबारा से सुनिए अभी. So slope हमने define किया line के लिए. So slope is actually tan theta. Write it first. Formula. And this is also known as m. Right? See the example. Suppose we have a line which is passing through the horizon, and this angle is given to us 60 degree. A line passing through the origin and making an angle 60 degree. What is its slope? Come on, tell me. √3. Very good. Yes. Nice, nice, Riya. Nice, Mahima. Very good, beta. Good. So means just now I told you slope of a line, angle made by it with the x-axis. So pyare bachcho, my dear children, m is equal to tan theta. What is the theta? 60. When I was in the 10th class, my madam told me, beta, tan 60 is √3. So slope is coming out √3. Copy this, please. Is that clear to all? Nilesh. Nice. Good. So this is about the slope. Now the another type can be, what is that? Are, what is like, thank you, beta. I born for the children. Do you know why you are on this earth? Do you know आप लोग पैदा क्यों हुए? Why you are on this earth? To be a doctor. And why I am on this earth? To make you a doctor. Okay, right. So now one more question I will take. See, if slope of a line is 1, what is the angle theta? Come on. If slope of this line is 1, what is the angle line will make with the x-axis? Nice, very good, bachcho, very nice. 45. Shabash, yahi chahiye mujhe. M is given 1. What is the m, bachcho? M is tan theta, which is 1. When the tan theta is 1, when theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Okay, suppose if this angle I say alpha, what is the alpha? Come on, text the value of alpha. Nice, very nice, good boys. Because this is 45, this is 45. Bhaiya, x और y का angle कितना होता है? What is the angle between x and y? 90. ये 45, तो ये कितना? 45. So this is about the slope for the line passing through the origin. Okay. थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेंगे, पानी पीते हैं जरा बच्चों, आप भी पानी पीजिए. Let us have some water, okay, together. Then we will proceed further. So shall I clean it now? Yes, only 10 is taken because 10 will only relate the y and x, and that is only called the slope. See beta, any line will be bent like this, okay? So height and x, they are related, y and x. Is green color okay for all of you? Right. So अब हम लिखेंगे इक्वेशन, कम ऑन राइट विद मी, मेरे साथ साथ लिखो, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू origin, passing through origin, equation of a line passing through origin. तो इस लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या होगी? मिस्टर टिल्लू, यू आर मूविंग अहेड, डोंट रन बेटा, होल्ड ऑन, वी विल, टुडे इज द फर्स्ट डे, आराम से चलेंगे, व्हाई यू आर रनिंग? सी, अब हमें इसकी इक्वेशन चाहिए, ठीक है बच्चों? सपोज this question is given to us, there is a line passing through the origin and it makes an angle 60 degrees with x-axis. Find equation of line. ये जो लाइन आप देख रहे हैं, ये किससे पास हो रही है? ओरिजिन से। इस लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है बेटा आपको। कैसे निकालेंगे? कम ऑन, 2 minutes for all of you. Text your answers. Equation of the line. Nice. करिए. Make attempt over it, please. So, my dear children, just now I told you. See, any line. This I am writing first the answer. Any line which is passing through the origin like this, this is y and this is suppose x for any general point, then tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base. होता है कि नहीं? Tan theta is how much? Y upon x. Then what is the m, this tan theta बच्चों? Tan theta को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Slope. Then what is the equation of this line? Y equals to mx. So first of all, इस चीज को आपको ध्यान रखना है. You have to keep in your mind, take an injection of this in your blood, that any line passing through the origin will have the equation y equals to mx. What is the m? Slope of that line, means angle made by it with the x-axis. If theta, then m is tan theta. Okay. What is the equation of this line? Y equals to mx. Okay. So now I can solve this question. Here. What is the m here? Tan theta. बोले तो tan 60. What is the tan 60 dear? √3. So standard equation. Being equation is y equals to mx. We got the m as √3. So equation of this line is how much? Y equal to √3x. Any problem to any child? Then please text me. Sir, it's not clear, or text, explain again. Come on. How line equal to y? Which line? It's not line, it's the equation of line. अरे भैया, tan theta is what? Y upon x. What is the tan theta? It is called the slope, m. If line makes an angle theta, so y is equals to mx is the equation of a line which is passing through origin, where m is tan theta. Okay. This is a question. It's not a graph. Question is there. Some of you are joining late and you are then telling, sir, repeat it again, repeat it again. This is not the right way, beta. ओके एक बार गाड़ी छूट जाती है प्लेटफॉर्म से तो अगले स्टेशन से ही पकड़नी पड़ती है, ट्रेन आपको पिक करने नहीं आती है वापस. When you will be coming here with us, then 100 times we will repeat for you. That's not a problem. So morning to evening, we will be here only in your service. Okay. So here, y is equals to root 3x. हमको इस means we have to calculate equation of this line. Angle is theta 60. So slope is tan 60. Equation is what? Y equals to mx. यानी m कितना हो गया? Root 3x. Okay. Yes, it is in recording possible. See, now all of you have joined. Please listen carefully. Write down with me. Question. Find equation of the given line. Beta, in our NEET exam, basically, few questions will come over the graphs, and there are 4 parts of the graph. One is straight line, second is circle, third is parabola, and fourth is ellipse, which is used in the gravitation chapter. So there are some 11 to 12 kinds of curve which you have to learn. Once you will command them, you will not face any trouble in the graphs of chemistry as well as in the physics. Okay. Find equation of the given line. Suppose question is this: y, x, here is a line and it makes an angle 45. So you can see line is passing through the origin, this point, intersection of x and y. क्या कहते हैं इसको बेटा? Origin. So now here, step by step we will do. First thing, it is passing from the origin. So equation of the line which is passing through the origin is what? Y equals to mx. Now bachcho, what is the m? M is the slope. What is the slope? Tan theta. What is the theta? Angle made by the line with the x-axis. यहाँ कितना एंगल बना रही है लाइन? How much angle it is making with the x-axis बच्चों? Come on, see this. कितना है? 45. शाबाश. Tan 45. When I was studying in 9th class, 1045 was 1 that time. Possibly nowadays is also 1. Okay, and in the coming days also will be 1. So m is 1. So what's the equation? 1 into x, 1x ja x, y equal to x. This is the equation of this line. Any problem to any child? Then text me. Good, safe. So simple. Again, I am repeating, bacho. Any line which is passing through the origin, its equation is y equal to mx. What is the m? M is the slope. What is the slope? Tan theta. What is the theta? Theta is the angle made by the line with the x-axis. Okay. So now I will give you 2 questions and 3 minutes. All of you will do together. Okay, बच्चों? जो बच्चा सही आंसर लाएगा उसको एक मंच की चॉकलेट इनाम मिलेगी. We'll give you the munch chocolate. Okay, whenever you will come here, if you will give the right answer. So note down the question. Question number 1. Here a line passing through the origin. I need the equation of this line. Come on, bacho. Question number 2. Okay. 37 degree and it is passing through the origin. इस लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या होगी? व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन? कम ऑन टेल मी. डोंट बी इन अ हरी, टेक योर टाइम. आई गिव यू 3 minutes. कम ऑन. ओके, फर्स्ट वाला y इक्वल्स टू 1/√3x. ओके फाइन. सेकेंड बेटा, गुड. Okay, fine. Most of you are texting, right? Means you have to order for so many number of Mun chocolates. Don't worry, we're waiting for you. Whenever you will come, we'll give you the chocolate party. Okay, right. So let us solve them together now. See, first answer. This is here 60. We need to count the angle with the plus x-axis. How much is this? 30. This is our theta. Remember, angle is always to be measured with the plus x-axis. So this is 30. What does it mean? If this is 30, first of all, get the slope. What is that? 1/√3. Is this or not, बच्चों? Right. So equation क्या होगी? Y equal to mx. M कितना है? What is the m here? 1/√3x. I hope it's clear to you all. समझा कि नहीं? चमका कि नहीं? मतलब दिमाग की बत्ती जली कि नहीं? Are you getting it or not? Come on, text and tell me. If anybody is there with the no, I will repeat it. Shabash, shabash. Good, very good, bacho. So now the question number 1 is over. Sometime he will try to make you fool by giving the angle with the y-axis, but we are not the fool. We are the students of Gosalites Academy. We will just change the angle with the x-axis and we will make it 30. Right? Fine. Now the second one, how to do this? Before we start, possibly you might have learned the values of 37 and 53. But there is a magic triangle which often comes in use with the angles of 37 and 53. I hope you know this. This is 3, 4, 5. This angle is 37 and this angle is called 53. Do you know this or not? Text me first. In trigonometry, it would be covered for you. Fine. Okay. Good. Very good, beta. Nice. So I have given the angle 37. In next 2 years, more than 200 times you will have an encounter with this triangle. Fine. So this is 37. So now theta is how much for this question? 37. Where from the line is passing? Origin. What will be the equation then? Come on. Wait. Theta is 37. M is tan theta. So writing this side. Tan 37 is how much? Come on, tell me. 37 perpendicular upon base. 3/4. So the equation of the line, it's being y equals to mx. What it is going to be? 3/4 into x. Okay. Is that clear to all children? Very good. Shabash बच्चों. Copy करिए. This triangle you must remember. So आपको now I hope it's clear to you. Line passing through the origin. We'll have the equation y equals to mx. M is the tan theta. Okay, and tan theta is called the slope. Fine. Shall I clean it now? Next screen. See beta Harsani, but some students are writing still. We have to wait for them. All are ours. सभी हमारे बच्चे हैं. We have to take care of everyone. Why we take y? Actually, you can take the x also. But see beta, will you say mummy as a papa and papa as a mummy? If you say the papa as a mummy, then what happens? Papa will slap you. Okay. Similarly, in physics, few things are traditional. X is called the independent variable and y is called the dependent variable. So generally, we have to write as y equals to mx. Okay. Fine. So few things are traditional. It's not better to change them. Okay. Right. So now, the next is distance formula and slope. Come on. Distance formula and slope. Means here we will considering the 2 points and we will define the slope. Okay. So now what happens? Suppose here this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, right? So now here if 2 points we have A and B, coordinates of A are x1 and y1, coordinates of B are x2 and y2. Okay, then what is the slope of this line? Means we want to calculate slope of this line. So what to do? We can take it backside, whatever the angle theta here, the same will be here. Okay. Now what is this base? Do you know? See, here we will tell you. A is like x1, y1. बोले तो ये कितना था? This was x1 and this was y1. Here is the B. Means this was the x2. And this is the net y2. So what is this perpendicular? y2 minus y1. And what is this? This total is x2, this is x1. So how much it is left? x2 minus x1. Whatever is this size, the same is this. If this angle is theta, then what does it mean? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So slope kitna aayega iska? What is the slope? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, so here also we can write as a conclusion, if there are 2 points with coordinates x1 and y1, then the slope of the line joining them, if you have a line like this with coordinates x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, then its slope is called m, which is equals to tan theta. What is that? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The theta is what? Angle made with the x-axis. Okay, copy this please. Come on. Two points A and B are having the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then the line joining them will have a slope m equals to tan theta. Means how much angle it will make? Tan theta, perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is y2 minus y1 upon base is here to here is x2 minus x1. See beta, this coordinate was x1, y1. So this distance is x1 yahan tak, and this is x2. So what is this left? x2 minus x1. The same is here, x2 minus x1. This total is y2. This was the y1. So what is this left? y2 minus y1, because this is also y1. Jitna ye hai, whatever is this, same is this. Total was y2. So this is left y2 minus y1. It's like a right angle triangle again. So slope of the line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, right. So please note down the formula. Slope of the line joining the 2 points. Is that clear? Come on, text. Those who got. How many of you have a doubt? Please text. Fine. Okay. How x2 minus x1 came? See, bhaiya, this x2 coordinate means this distance is x2 here to here. What I told you. This x1. This was the x1. So what is this? x2 minus x1. In example, you will learn it. No problem. So shall I clear it now? Fine. See. Now nobody will write anything. One child is asking, sir, how it is x2 minus x1. So numerically, let us clear it. Okay. See, this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Here is the point like 2, 4. What is this? A point. Here is the B point. What is the coordinates of this point? Suppose this is 6 and this is 7. Somebody asked, what is the slope of this line? Okay. See, beta, why I am telling? Then x1, x2, it could be difficult to understand. Now let us see it in the numerical values. 2, 4 का मतलब क्या हुआ? What is the meaning? This distance was 2 because x coordinate is 2. B coordinate is 6, means this total was the 6, like x2. This is 6, this is 2. What is this then? Come on, 4. Okay, now y coordinate means y was 4, means this height from the x to this point is 4. This coordinate is how much? Kitna tha ye? 7. So this total was 7. Here to here. Now this is 4, so this is also 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Here to here. If this angle is theta, now nothing is there. Simple. Slope is nothing but tan theta. The first way, which I told you the traditional method, perpendicular upon base. This is 4, so this is 4. So slope is 3 by 4. That only we are asking. If somebody asks the theta, how much theta will be? When the tan is 3 by 4, when the angle is 37 degrees. Is this or not? Fine. This is the first method. Alternate. This is what I told you on the basis of minus and all. I made a triangle. Directly, I have given you one formula for the slope. You can use that directly. What is the slope of this line? So line joining the 2 points x1 y1 comma x2 y2 will have a slope how much? Tan theta. y2 minus y1 upon x2, yani coordinate x coordinate of second point B, 6 minus x1, that is 2. How much is that? 3 by 4. That is the slope. Okay, bete? So I hope this is clear to you all. How many of you got it? Just text me, please. If somebody is not getting, that fellow also text me, so I can repeat it again. Good. Nice. The boy who was asking me x2 minus x1, you got it, beta? Good. Nice. Shabash. Very good. So this is the slope of the line which is joining 2 points. Yes, Hashini. What is the doubt, beta? Text your doubt. Of course, not only one beta, I can tell you the number of examples. Come on, solve a question. Note down with me. Find the slope yes, we can take. Note down a question. Find the slope of the given lines. Come on. First question. Okay. This is A point, this is B point. Coordinates are 2 root 3 comma 5 and 3 root 3 comma 6. What is the slope? M. The second one, if the line is this, what is the slope of this line? Question number 3. In general, a line is like this, AB. What is the slope of this line? Question number 4. One more point we will take. This time we will take some minus coordinates also. Space is a bit less. Minus 4, 0, and this is something like 4, 12. What is the slope of this line? Y and X. There are 4 questions I have given you, giving you the 5 minutes. Please work out the slopes. Come on. Is it visible to you? Okay. This is the first one. This is the second question. Come on. Good. Mahima answered well. Good. So, okay, dear children, it's enough time. Now let us work out them one by one. What is the answer of first question? Text the answer of first question. Good. 1 by √3. See, how to solve it? For that, we will clear the second one because we need a space. So, see, what are you seeing here? x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the slope, bacho? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is the y2? 6. What is the y1? First y coordinate is 5. But the y coordinate of first point A is 5. x2. What is the x1? How much? 3√3 minus 2√3 is 1. So the slope is coming out 1 by √3. That is the answer. Okay, most of you have done it right. Very good. I'm proud on you, beta. You are doing well. Shabash. Now, how many of you got it? Hopefully all. If not, you can pause the video and you can see it. Okay, we have used the same formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Very good, bacho. Nice. You all are very intelligent children, right? So now we will take the third one. Photo I am going to clear. So here I can solve the third one. See, here is the line which is parallel to the x-axis. Is this or not? How much angle will it make with the x-axis? Come on, 0. Shabash, Pawan. Very good. So means answer of third I am doing first. Theta is 0. Bachcho, have you seen the two railway tracks? They are moving parallel to each other. नदी के दो किनारे देखे हैं कभी? Have you seen the banks of river? They will move parallel. What is the angle between them? 0. Okay, they will move, but they will not meet. Okay, theta is 0. So what is the slope? Come on. Tan 0 is 0. That's the answer. Any problem? Copy करिए. Come on. So now the fourth one. What's the answer of the fourth one, beta? X1, this is, sorry, A point, P point. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. I'm solving the fourth beta, okay? Second I will take in the end. So slope is X1, Y1. What is this? X2, Y2. What is the formula? Y2 minus Y1. 12 minus 0. X2 minus X1. Do you know? Minus minus plus. 4 और 4 8. In English, 4 and 4 is 8. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. What is the slope then? Come on. 3/2. Okay, bachcho? Shabash. Very good. Copy this. Come on. Those who were not able to get. Hopefully, आप सभी को समझ में आया होगा. Nice. Good boys. Good. Second, I'm taking that beta. Just wait. Some of them may be copying, so it's good to give them the time. Second question was a line parallel to the x-axis. So let us erase the third and fourth so we can create a space here. So if somebody is writing, he or she can continue. Second was a line parallel to the y-axis. What does it mean? Here is the x, here is the y, this is the line. So for the angle, what we need? Theta. If I draw this back side, what is this theta with the x-axis? 90. बच्चों slope क्या होता है? What is the slope? tan 90. What is the tan 90? Infinity. Means it cannot be defined. But whether it means there is no equation of the line? No. There will be the equation of line. I will tell you. First you copy these four. 1 minute for you all. मतलब कई बच्चे बोलते हैं, many of the students will say, sir, slope is not there. Then how the equation will come? I will tell you that. Just wait. So they are called line parallel to x-axis and line parallel to the y-axis. So shall I clean it now? Okay. So these two are very important. Remark important here and note down. This is the x-axis, right? If we have a line like this and it is passing through the y-axis with the coordinate 0, b. या इसको कहते हैं 0, b. Because on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. This is the line. So do you know what is this? B distance. So any point on this line, if you see how far it will be from the x-axis, this is y equal to b. So this is the equation of line parallel to the x-axis. Now the second, a line parallel to the y-axis. Suppose this distance is a. A line is passing through this. Angle is 90. नो प्रॉब्लम, बट इसकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी? नाउ वन थिंग वी नो, एवरी पॉइंट ऑन दिस लाइन, हाउ फार इट इज फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन? It is always at the A. So what is the equation? X equal to A. Both are important, bachcho. You should note down. This will be used in the angular momentum conservation in the chapter of rotational motion. Okay. So line parallel to the X will have the equation Y equals to B. Line parallel to the Y axis will have the equation X equal to A. Okay. Copy kariye. Come on. Because the line which is parallel to the X will have the Y always constant, and the line which is parallel to the Y will always have X as a constant. Okay, you might be knowing, sir, what's your name and all. I will give you my short intro, beta. My name is Deepak Sharma. I am the senior faculty having the experience of medical teaching for last 18 years. I worked with the national brands like LN, Akash, Resonance, and then IIB as well. So you all are in the safe hand in our team of Gosalites Academy. So we are also waiting for you to join. Meanwhile, you just learn slowly. And tomorrow I will put some sheets for you over the slopes and coordinate geometry. So we will discuss them also. कल मैं आपको एक sheet दूंगा. So you will practice them. How it comes? Which one, beta? Assignments. Yes, tomorrow I will give you. College will open, beta, possibly the next month. But the chairman sir is telling next month. बेटा मुझे तेलुगु नहीं आती है. Possibly I will tell you the good physics. You all will tell me the Telugu. I will learn from you. Second graph you want me to explain again. Okay. So beta, this is the line parallel to the y-axis. Listen, I explain how the question will come. So the line parallel to the y-axis will have x equal to a. मान लीजिए हमसे किसी ने कहा, suppose somebody asked, there is a line passing through 2, 0. What is its equation? So on this line, everywhere you take any point on this line, what is constant? X is constant. Each point is how far from the y-axis? 2. So iska equation kya hua? X equal to 2. Understand? Each point is at x equal to 2. Any problem? Y will keep changing. Okay. So shall I clean it now, bacho? Right. So we will conclude again what we have learned so far. All the summary I will tell you, because intersections we will take in the coming class. So आज हमने जो सीखा उसको मैं sum up कर रहा हूँ, आप सभी फिर से देखें एक बार. First thing, we have two axes, X and Y. This is called Cartesian coordinate system. 2D plane, 2 dimensions, one X, one is Y. There is 3D also, the Z axis which comes out, but that we are not learning now. Equation of X axis is Y is 0. And equation of Y axis is X equal to 0. Okay. Second, coordinates. Any point if lies here, suppose like 2, 3. Then this is 2, this is 3. So we can reach from O to P point. This is called coordinate. They can be anywhere. Here X will be negative and Y will be positive. Here like both are negative. And here like if any point X is positive and Y is negative. This way you can explore the points. Number 3, slope. Slope for any line. There are 2 categories what we discussed today. Line passing through the origin. If makes an angle theta, then its slope is given by m equal to tan theta, and its equation is what bete? Y equal to mx. This is for what? The line which is passing through the origin. Okay, copy kariye. Small notes. Those join the late, they can note it down. So line must pass through the origin and making some angle. अब देखिए अगर x के पैरेलल होगी तो थीटा 0, y के along हो गई तो थीटा 90. So accordingly slope is 0 and slope is 90. So now, my dear children, we will go for the next conclusion. Number 4. If there are 2 points given in the 2D plane, then what is the slope of the line joining them? If their coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope का मतलब angle made by it. Okay, so m is tan theta. That is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line which is joining 2 given points in the 2D plane. Okay, fine. Now, one thing we will learn, the 5th, which is important for all of us, which is called distance formula. What is the distance formula, bete? Do you know? See, you should learn it. This is y, this is x. Point A, point B. Coordinates are x1, y1. And these coordinates are x2, y2. If distance between them is d, between these 2 points, then d is equal to what? Come on. Kitna hoga? No, this is not ut plus half a t square. It's not a motion in constant acceleration. This is distance between 2 points with the coordinates. This is beta x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is called distance between 2 points A and B, which are having the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, right. Copy kariye. Those who are knowing it's good. Those who don't know this, please copy this beta. So I will tell you the explanation why we are doing like this. So means if coordinates are given of 2 points, then distance between the points is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Anybody have any problem? Yes, I can prove it. I can prove it for you. Mr. Tillu, don't worry. Explanation. Bete, Babu, I told you, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Then, what was this? x2 minus x1. Earlier I told you in the slope formula, this base. And how much was this beta Tillu? y2 minus y1. What it was or not, Mr. Tillu? DJ Tillu. Yes, good. Say yes, sir. Come on. Mr. DJ Tillu, please respond. Okay. So this is the base. Bhaiya, this is x2. This is x1. x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1. y1. y2. y2 minus y1. This distance is what basically? Hypotenuse. Do you know? Yes, it's Pythagoras theorem. Root of base square plus perpendicular square. So I hope it's clear to you all. Is that clear to you all? Come on, text me and tell. Come on, bacho. Are you getting it or not? Say yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir. I got it, sir. Yes. Sabbas, bacho. Sabbas. Very good. So, distance between 2 coordinates is given by this formula. Mr. Tillu, you are not responding. I'm waiting for your text. Come on. I think Tillu is taking rest. Okay. Yes, Mr. Tillu. Nice. Good. So I hope this clear to you. Let us take an example today. ओके इस पे एक आखिरी एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं बेटे, देन वी विल लीव यू. Shall I clean it now? क्लीन करें इसको. ओके राइट, come on. Two questions we will solve. You will solve it. Find distance between P and Q. What is the P? What is the Q? Here is the P with coordinates 2, 6. Here is the Q with coordinates 8, 14. Okay. Question 2. What is the distance or the length of the line AB? This coordinate is this and this coordinate is this. Come on. यहाँ D निकालना है आपको, distance between P and Q, and what is the distance in this case? Okay, come on. 2 minutes for all of you. Some are doing very fast, some are taking time. All children are of course not same. No problem, beta, take your time. Root 100, why are you writing, my dear? Root 100 is 10. Write the 10 then. Yes, yes, yes. 5 root 4? No, gandi baat, galat. 100 root is 10. Ritika is right. Suchir is right. Niharika, Hemant. Shabash bachcho, sahi ja rahe ho. You all are going well. Vamsi, Gautam, nice. Okay. Okay, so most of you are doing it right. So after completing this, we will of the class. First of all, x1 kitna hai? What is the x1? 2. What is the x2? 8. What is the y1? 6. What is the y2? 14. So what is the distance, bacho? Answer root of x2 minus x1. 8 minus 2 is 6 whole square. y2 minus y1. 14 minus 6 is 8. How much? 36 plus 64. Of course, it's 100. 100 ka root 10. Shabash bachcho. Not root 10. 10. Root is of 100. Okay, fine. So this is your first answer. अगर हमें 2 point दे रखे हैं, if any 2 points are given and their coordinates are known, we can get the distance by using this formula, beta. Okay, in a 2D plane where x and y are involved. So now the second one, it's a time to take the second one. बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Are you getting or not? Whether speed is okay for you or we should slow down? Come on. Are you getting? We should decrease the speed or more? No, gear up we can't do, sorry. This is the correct speed where everybody will be in the car. If we will speed up, then some people will fly off from the car. Okay, right. Nahi aa raha ho beta. See, purpose is not this. We should increase the speed or something. We have a specific area. We are able to cover it with the same pace in 1 week. Okay, right. If you feel discomfort, you can text me. I will explain you again. No problem. And finally, you are going to come here. So no need at all. So ab dekhiye. We are doing which one? The second one. Bete, x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the distance formula? Come on. Root of x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means 3 minus 0 whole square. It comes minus plus 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. Bapre, 16 plus 9. How much? 25. This everybody knows in India. What is the root of this? 5 units. That's the answer. Okay, fine. कॉपी कर लीजिए बच्चों. मजा आया कि नहीं? समझ में आया कि नहीं? No problem, Mr. Tillu. Sometimes it happens. What is the thing? किसी बच्चे को ऐसा जो नहीं समझा हो? Very good. It's clear to everyone. Thank you, beta. Namaskar. धन्यवाद. College will open by the next month, beta. You can inquire in the admin department. Okay, fine. So what you promised me, you revise it so I can give you the sheet. Whatever we learned today, the sheet will be given tomorrow after the tomorrow lecture. Similarly, what we will learn tomorrow, next day you will get the sheet. So this way we will complete the graph analysis, which will be useful for you in the chemistry as well as in the physics. Mainly 4 things we have, beta. Coordinate geometry, system, planes, straight line, then circle, then ellipse, and then hyperbola. Okay, these 4 only are of our use. We will practice them. Sunday syllabus we will discuss tomorrow, beta. I will inquire and tell you. Okay, it's not updated to me as well. Okay, fine. Okay, okay. So shall we finish now? Bye, बच्चों. Take care. अपना ख्याल रखना. टाटा. Bye bye. See you. कल मिलते हैं. पर रिवाइज करना. Done. You have to be a doctor. Remember, you want to be a doctor and we want to make you a doctor. Okay? Thank you. Stop. Yes. कल मैं आपको सुबह 11 बजे टाइप करवा के डलवा कितना 20 क्वेश्चन बहुत है ना 30 दे दो सर कितना 30 नहीं यार ज्यादा हो जाएगा 20 दे दो 20 बहुत छोटा बच्चा है